This video is to show how to configure incremental load. In connector, there's a function called incremental load or data load. When you click any of the table, you will see the data load button. Some of the tables may have millions of records, and this may take a longer time to review. So instead of downloading the entire record in the table, you can use this incremental loading method. Another function called batch view. When this checkbox is ticked, the system creates the index for the new and modified data while loading data from the source database. The purpose is to review those incremental data in batch. Some tables may be linked or interrelated with other tables. Therefore, it is encouraged to take the batch view for data load and override existing methods. When the data loading is performed, you have to check this both to update previous method for this class. Okay, let's just take example to show you how to configure. So for example, in the orders table, in original data, when we run query to view the data, in original data, let's search whether they have the ship country equal to Malaysia or not. There is no any data that related to the Malaysia. Okay, let's go to the source data, source table, to simply copy one record for a dummy to change the ship country as to Malaysia, and then the ID is equal to 11078 for the last record. After that, we save this database. This is orders table in the text format. This is we use as a dummy data to do this video for the testing. Okay, so after you change, we need to go back to the application to perform the data load and the batch view. So after we take the batch view and click on data load, click OK to confirmed. Okay. So when we browse the data and do a quick search, ship country equal to Malaysia, and run the query. Yeah, the data already been loaded for Malaysia. Okay, this is how we configure the data load. If you want to see the changes in the analyzer, you have to go to the architect. If you already have the subject area for that table, so we just open the subject area, call user orders, and then click the process to compile the class, and then to review the class, to refresh to the analyzer. So we go back to the analyzer, select the subject. If let's say the subject, we already create a subject as orders. In one of the dimension called ship country, you drag the ship country to row and click process. In the ship country, you should be able to see the new record for Malaysia. That is all how to configure the incremental load.